not, so that I can start the class. Okay. Just give me a moment, everyone. So right now I'm checking if I'm live or not. So in the meantime, you can answer me on the chat screen where you can tell me if I am clearly audible and visible or not. Yes? Oh, yes. Chat screen where... Okay, so I know that I'm live and clearly audible and visible as well. So let's start the class then. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, so hey, hi, hello everyone. Very good evening and welcome to the session and welcome to Unacademy ICSE and ICSE YouTube channel. So today we are going to study the concentration of a solution from your water chapter. Okay, so this is going to be a very important class for all of the students for class from class 9, and this is going to be a very important topic from your water chapter, which is the third chapter of your textbook. Okay, so let's start the session now. So this is Manisha, your class 9 chemistry educator. I have 6 years of teaching experience and these are my credentials. Hello Saket, welcome to the session. Okay, so you can join me on the Telegram using this link where you will be getting your homeworks and class notes in PDF format. Also, you will be getting the Telegram channel link of Unacademy ICS and ISC board is given in the description box where you can click on this link and join the class. So we have special classes for all the students on Unacademy app. These are for absolutely free. To attend these classes, you just have to download the Unacademy app, follow the instructions, fill in your credentials, and you will be redirected to the special classes. To unlock all the special classes, you need to use a code, and that code will be your Manisha Live. Using this code will unlock all your special classes, and you can follow me over there also. So what are the benefits of having the special classes? Like you can learn from your favorite educators for free. You can engage with your educators via polls. You can clear your doubt session in the live special classes. So many benefits you have. Also, this is the timetable of my special classes for class 9. On 8th April, we are having your introduction to atomic model. 11th ko we are having your introduction to soft and hard water. And 13th April, we are having your introduction to percentage composition from language of chemistry. Okay, so for class 9 the special class timings are from 5:15 to 6:15 p.m. So if you want to go for like more specialized preparation, everything, your doubt solving sessions, syllabus coverage, unlimited access to all the courses, you can certainly go for the Unacademy subscription where you will getting all the features that are listed over here. Practice test, live test series, batches, study material in PDF format, mentorship and guidance, your learning live from the comfort of your home. All these things you will be getting with a single subscription. And if you take subscription for class 9, you will be getting your 10, 11 and 12 subscription for absolutely free. And we are having your subscription starting from 3 months to 48 months. You can go take it for any period of time. Also, you are starting your new academic session, so I will suggest you to take the subscription for at least 12 months or more than that. Also, you can use my code Manisha Live to take the 10% discount, to avail your 10% discount. Okay, so let's start the class without any further delay. Okay, so what do you mean by concentration? ठीक है, अगर मैं बोलती हूँ कि concentration of a solution, what do I mean by this term concentration? ठीक है, so let's try to understand that. So concentration of any solution, कोई भी solution आपको दिया हुआ है, if I tell you the concentration term, that means I am talking about the amount of solute that is present in the given quantity of solution. एम आई क्लियर? ठीक है, सो अगर आपके पास लेट्स से कि 100 ml ऑफ सोल्यूशन है, ओके, सो 100 ml ऑफ सोल्यूशन है एंड लेट्स से कि इन दैट 100 ml ऑफ सोल्यूशन यू हैव 50 ml ऑफ सोल्यूट, और लेट्स से 50 ग्राम ऑफ सोल्यूट यू हैव, ठीक है, 50 ग्राम ऑफ सोल्यूट जो है सो हमारे पास है. So what is the concentration of this solution? It will be like your 50 by 100 into 100. That means it will be like your 50% concentration. Got it? So this way you can define your concentration, like the amount of solute which is present in the given quantity of solution, means किसी भी given quantity में how much solute is present. So for our simplicity, to make our understanding simple, we can take the volume of solution or we can take the mass of solution to be 100 gram or 100 ml. Clear? Now let's proceed on to the types of solutions on the basis of concentration or on the basis of amount of solute present in the solution. If you can see, on the basis of amount of solute that is present in the solution, if you want to like classify the solution, it can be classified into three types: saturated, unsaturated and supersaturated. Clear? So what amount of solute is present in the given amount of solution, let's say 100 ml of solution, that will be on that basis we have three types of solution. So first is your saturated solution. What do we mean by this term, saturated solution? ठीक है, so saturated solution is that solution which can dissolve as much of solute as it is capable of dissolving at a given temperature. Okay, so what do we mean by this term? Let's say कि we have your 100 gram of water, ठीक है, we have 100 gram of water. उस 100 gram of water में you have started dissolving, ठीक है, you have started dissolving let's say your NaCl, ठीक है, आप उस 100 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर में यू स्टार्टेड डिसॉल्विंग NaCl at let's say 38 degree Celsius temperature. You are not changing the temperature. Temperature will not be changed. ठीक है, temperature को हम change नहीं कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर. So in that case, what will happen? Now you have started dissolving it. So let's say maximum you can dissolve like 20 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of water at 38 degrees Celsius. After 20 gram of NaCl has already dissolved in your 100 gram of water at 38 degrees Celsius, you are not able to dissolve any more NaCl to water without changing the temperature. Okay? You are not changing the temperature, you are not changing the amount of solvent, that is the amount of water. Those two things are constant. In that condition, beyond 20 grams, you are not able to dissolve any more of NaCl. Means it doesn't matter how much hardly, how much like vigorously you stir the solution or for how much duration you are leaving the solution, your more NaCl will not be able to dissolve in that 100 gram of water at 38 degrees Celsius. In that situation, the solution that we have formed over here by dissolving your 20 gram of NaCl into 100 gram of water at 38 degrees Celsius, beyond which your water is not capable or is not able to dissolve any more solute, that type of solution will be termed as saturated solution. That means it is complete, it's full. The capacity of solvent has become full. It has dissolved the means amount of solute that it is capable of dissolving already. It cannot dissolve any more of solute at the given temperature. Clear? So you are not changing the temperature, you are not changing the amount of solvent. So in that case, this solution will be termed as saturated solution. Clear? So let's try to understand from the given definition. So definition says saturated solution is the solution which at a given temperature dissolves as much solute as it is capable of dissolving. Okay, I explained you the meaning of this line. Then the amount of solute present in a saturated solution at a given temperature is called solubility of the solvent. Clear? So how much amount of solute a solvent can dissolve in it at a given temperature, means at a specified temperature. That temperature we are taking for example here to be 38 degrees Celsius. It can be any temperature. Okay, so at a given temperature, how much amount of solute can be dissolved in a solvent to make it a saturated solution is termed as solubility of that solvent. Clear? Now, how can you increase the solubility? How can you increase the capacity of dissolving solute of the solvent without changing its quantity? By changing the temperature. So if you increase the temperature, your solubility of the solvent will also increase. That means solubility is directly proportional to temperature. So you must have seen ki if you take like 1 glass of water and if you go on dissolving sugar in it, a time will come that at room temperature no more sugar can be dissolved in that given water. And let's say you have taken here 100 ml of water. Okay, you cannot dissolve you have dissolved already 50 gram of sugar in it, and you cannot dissolve more than that at a given temperature, that is at room temperature. Clear? So that means you have prepared a saturated solution of sugar and water. Now if you like warm that warm that solution, okay, solution of sugar and water, what you can observe ki now you can dissolve more sugar to it. Okay, that means the solubility of solvent, that is the solubility of water, has increased. How? By increasing the temperature. So when you increase the temperature, basically what happens, the molecules of the solvent like go far apart from each other, distance between them increases, the intermolecular space between them increases, and now the solute is getting more space to get accommodated in between the intermolecular spaces of solvent, and hence your more solute can be dissolved upon increasing the temperature. Clear? So in this way you can see कि solubility of a solvent is directly proportional to the temperature. So I hope it is very much clear to everyone present in the class like what is a saturated solution. Yes or no? Tell me fast. Everyone got it? Like what is a saturated solution? Okay. So this way you can see कि the solution that we have prepared here is saturated solution. Now, what do we mean by your unsaturated solution? Anyone can tell me this one? What do we mean by your unsaturated solution? So basically your unsaturated solutions, from the name itself you can identify, are those in which the concentration of solutes are smaller than their equilibrium solubility. That is saturation level. Okay? That means in unsaturated solution you can add like more solute at the given temperature. Okay, so let's try to understand this with an example. So let's say at 30 degrees Celsius you have your 100 gram of water which is capable of dissolving, okay, which is capable of dissolving. Hello Manas, welcome to the session. Okay, so which is capable of dissolving, let's say maximum 40 gram of sugar to form a saturated solution. ठीक है, सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन बनाने के लिए you have added means you need to add 40 gram of sugar to 100 gram of water at 30 degree Celsius. ठीक है. Now if suppose कि at 30 degree Celsius in 100 gram of water I have only dissolved, okay, I have only dissolved your 20 gram of sugar. मतलब कि at this given temperature, without changing any temperature, without changing the quantity of solvent, you can dissolve like 20 gram more of sugar to this 100 gram of water at 30 degrees Celsius. That means the solution that we have prepared here is capable of dissolving more amount of solute. Yes, the solvent is capable of dissolving more amount of solute. We haven't like dissolved your okay. Hello Manas, I already told you hello. Chalo. So here you can see that the solvent is capable of dissolving like more 20 gram of solute in it, and then it will become a saturated solution, and beyond that it will not be able to dissolve any more amount of solute. That means this solution is unsaturated. This is similar to this, like you are very hungry and now you are capable of eating like 4 chapatis, okay, but you have eaten 2 chapatis only. That means your stomach can accommodate 2 more chapatis right now, okay. So that means you are unsaturated. Similarly, the solution is also unsaturated because the solvent has not dissolved the solute beyond which it cannot dissolve any more solute. Clear? So that means it can dissolve like 20 gram of more sugar. That means your solution is unsaturated. Clear? Am I clear to all of you? The unsaturated solutions are clear to all of you. These are those solutions in which your concentration of solutes are smaller than the saturation level. Okay? Okay. Chalo, very good, Manas. Now, next is your super saturated solution. Super saturated क्या होता है? What are these super saturated solutions? So basically these are those solutions in which the solvent dissolves an amount of solute greater than its solubility. ठीक है? So I told you what is solubility. Solubility is the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in a given amount of solvent at a particular temperature. That is the solubility of solvent. So if any solvent is dissolving more solute, means greater than its solubility, then that particular solution will be termed as super saturated solution. Okay? So how can we prepare like super saturated solution? We can prepare super saturated solutions forcefully by heating your saturated solution. For example, let me explain you with this an example. Just as I told you, at let's say 30 degrees Celsius, your 100 gram of water can dissolve, okay, can dissolve maximum 50 ग्राम ऑफ शुगर. ठीक है, 50 ग्राम शुगर जो है, 50 ग्राम शुगर जो है वो आपका 100 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर मैक्सिमम डिसॉल्व कर सकता है 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ना इट कैन नॉट डिसॉल्व एनी मोर शुगर एट दिस पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर. अब हम क्या करते हैं, वी स्टार्ट हीटिंग द सोल्यूशन. ठीक है, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सोल्यूशन को हीट करना शुरू कर रहे हैं. सो द सोल्यूशन दैट वी हैव राइट नाउ ऑफ 50 ग्राम sugar and 100 gram water, this is your saturated solution. So saturated solution ko we have started now heating it. Clear? So heat करने से क्या होगा, what will happen when we heat your saturated solution? Anybody can tell me the answer? So as you start heating the solution, let's say you have heated it till 50 degrees Celsius. So what will happen at this temperature? Okay, this temperature, your 100 gram of water can dissolve like more amount of solute. Let's say it can dissolve like more 20 gram of sugar. That means at a room temperature, at a normal temperature, your water, 100 gram of water was capable of dissolving only 50 gram of sugar. That was its solubility. Clear? Now as you have increased the temperature, as you have heated the solution, what you can observe कि now your 100 gram of water has dissolved 70 gram of sugar. Clear? That means greater than the amount of solute that can be dissolved in 100 gram of sugar. That is greater than its solubility. That means the solution that we have prepared right now by heating your saturated solution, this is your super saturated solution. Okay? What is this? This is your super saturated solution. Am I clear to all of you? What is this super saturated solution? Clear? So super saturated solution at a particular temperature is the one that is concentrated. That means which contains more amount of solute than its saturated solution at that particular temperature. Clear everyone? Any doubt in this particular case? So I'm repeating once more, just try to understand this. Super saturated solution at a particular temperature always contains more amount of solute than its saturated solution at that particular temperature. Clear? So for example, if I give you an example over here, let me take you to the, okay. So let's say at 30 degree Celsius, maximum जो है वो आपका 100 gram of water can dissolve like 20 gram of NaCl. ठीक है, सो ये आपका सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन होगा. ठीक है, without any forcing, without any using temperature, it can normally like dissolve 20 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of water at 30 degree Celsius. लेकिन for example at 30 degree Celsius में ही 100 gram of water has 40 gram of NaCl. So this will be your super saturated solution. Clear? So super saturated solution always has greater amount of solute present in it than the saturated solution at the same temperature if you are talking about. Clear? Am I clear to all of you? What is this super saturated solution? Okay, Manas. So very good. I hope it's clear to all of you and no doubt is there in this case. Okay, chalo. So this is all about your saturated, unsaturated and super saturated solution. Okay, very good. Now let's see types of solution on the basis of concentration. ठीक है, concentration के basis पे we have two more types of solution, that is your dilute solution and the other one is concentrated solution. ठीक है. Okay, Manas. So very happy birthday and may God bless you and you get everything in your life that you have wished for. Chalo. So, okay. So types of solution on the basis of concentration. So we have like dilute solution and your concentrated solution. Now this dilute solution and concentrated solution, these two are very relative terms. ठीक है, ये काफी ज़्यादा relative terms है. They are not absolute terms. To identify like if a given solution is dilute or concentrated in nature, you should have some other solution also with which you can compare that given solution. Clear? So अगर आपके पास कोई दूसरा solution नहीं है to compare, so you cannot find out if the given solution is dilute and concentrated. That's why I told you कि these two terms are your relative terms, dilute and concentrated. Clear? So let's try to understand this term. So first let's see the definition. So dilute solution is the one which has smaller amount of solute compared to the amount of solvent. Clear? And what is your concentrated solution? Which has a relatively large amount of solute for a given mass of solvent, that is your concentrated solution. So let's try to understand it. For example, you have a solution A and you have a solution B. In solution A, you have 20 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of water. ठीक है? In solution B, you have 30 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of water. Can you all tell me कि is A solution A dilute or solution B is dilute? Which one of the given solution is dilute in nature and which one is the concentrated in nature? As I told you, dilute means smaller amount of solute with compared to the solvent. Concentrated means when you have like relatively larger amount of solute as compared to the quantity of solvent. So in solution A, you have 20 gram of NaCl dissolved in 100 gram of water. In solution B, you have 30 gram of NaCl dissolved in 100 gram of water. So tell me fast, which is the solution going to be dilute in nature or which one is going to be concentrated in nature? Anyone? Yes, Manas, A. Option A is what? Dilute or concentrated? What you want to say? Very good, Manas. Yes, of course. Your solution A is dilute and solution B is concentrated. Now let's have one more solution, that is solution C. ठीक है, solution C में what we see कि your 40 gram of NaCl is dissolved in 100 gram of water. ठीक है, आपका 40 ग्राम NaCl जो है वो 100 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर में डिसॉल्व है. So tell me fast, now out of A, B and C, which one is concentrated? Out of A, B and C, which one is concentrated? Yes, tell me fast everyone. So yes, very good Rahul, absolutely correct. So out of A, B and C, your of course C is the concentrated solution now. Yes, very good, Manas. So you can see over here earlier when this solution C was not present, your solution B was concentrated in nature. But as soon as we have like introduced solution C, now among all the three solutions, your solution C is the most concentrated one. So you can see over here key concentrated and dilute, these are the relative terms, and their like definitions, their like you cannot identify that if the given solution is dilute or concentrated in nature until and unless you have some other solution uh, other solution with which you can compare the given solution. Clear everyone? Yes. So these two are very relative terms. So let me write down it for you so that you can have it in your notes. Key concentrated and dilute are relative terms to identify if a given solution is concentrated or dilute, we need to have other solution with which we can compare the given solution. Very sorry. With which we can compare the given solution. Clear everyone? So this way you can identify if the given solution is concentrated or dilute if you have some other solution with which you can compare the given solution. Now, we have like quantitative methods also to find the concentration of the solution. This concentrated or dilute was giving us the qualitative nature of the solution. Okay, so it was not telling us like how much solute is present in the given amount of solution. So to find out the concentration of the solution in the quantitative way, we have three different methods to find out that. Okay, so let's study about the methods to find the concentration of a solution. Hello Sayan, welcome to the session. So very good evening. Okay. Now, which method is more commonly used to find the concentration of solution? It's your percentage method. Okay? Percentage method is most commonly used to find out the concentration of the solution. Now, under percentage method, we can express it in three ways. So, first way is your mass by mass percent, also known as only mass percent. Second is your mass by volume percent, and third is your volume by volume percent, also known as only volume percent. Clear? So let's try to discuss each and every method, each and every way of percentage method one by one. It's okay, sir, no issues. So you can attend the class from here onwards, and whatever you have missed right now, you can watch in the recorded session. Okay? So see over here, mass by mass percent, that is your also termed as mass percent. What is this? So it is defined as, basically mass by mass percent is defined as the mass of solid solute. What amount of solid solute? Okay? Solid solute is dissolved in a given quantity of a solution. Clear? So as I told you in the earlier of this session only, the concentration of the solution is always related or represented as the amount of solute dissolved in a given quantity of the solution. Clear? We never express your concentration as the amount of solvent. We always express it in the terms of amount of solute. Clear? So mass by mass percentage, if we want to define this method, it will be defined as how much solid solute, okay, how much solid solute is dissolved in a given quantity of the solution. Clear everyone? Understood this thing? So how much mass of solid solute is being dissolved in the given quantity of solution? That is your mass by mass percentage or only mass percent. So the first mass is the mass of solute. Clear? And the second mass is the mass of solution. Clear? So the first mass represents your mass of solute, second mass represents your mass of solution. So what is the formula of finding the concentration using the mass percentage method? So mass percentage method can be demonstrated as this way. Concentration of solution using mass percent method. So that can be your mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. This is the formula for finding out the concentration of solution using the mass percentage method. I told you earlier also that the first mass is representing the mass of solute, the second mass is representing the mass of solution. Okay? So this is termed as mass percent and it is defined as how much solid solute is being dissolved in the given quantity of solution. So that's why we are taking the mass of solute in the numerator and we are dividing it by the mass of solution into 100. How can we find out the mass of solution? Mass of solution कैसे find out करेंगे? We can do it by adding the mass of solute and mass of solvent. If you add the mass of solute with the mass of solvent, it will give you the mass of solution. Okay? So for example, if I say I have like 10% mass by mass of NaCl. Okay? I have your 10% mass by mass of NaCl like this. Okay? So if I tell you this thing, I have 10% mass by mass of NaCl solution. What do I mean to say by this particular statement? क्या बोलना चाहती हूँ मैं? What I mean to say? That is कि 10 gram of NaCl is dissolved in 100 gram of solution. Clear? So when I say I have 10% mass by mass of NaCl solution, from this statement I mean to say कि 10 gram of NaCl is dissolved in 100 gram of solution. Clear? So let's see how we find out by the question. If say if 100 gram of NaCl, sorry, if 10 gram of NaCl is added, or you can say is dissolved in 90 gram of water, then find the concentration of solution using mass percent method. ठीक है? So the mass percent method में the formula that we have for finding out the concentration is mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. So we have been given the mass of solute as how much? Mass of solute we are getting as 10 gram. Mass of solution, we do not have mass of solution in the question, so we will have to find it out. How can we find it out? By adding mass of solute to mass of solvent. So mass of solute is 10 gram, mass of solvent is 90 gram, because your water is solvent over here. Do not take 90 gram as the mass of solution, because that is the mass of solvent. I have told you already कि solution is being prepared by adding solute to the solvent. ठीक है? हमेशा हम लोग solvent में जब solute add करते हैं, the combination is known as solution. So if you have to find out the mass of solution, you need to add the mass of solute to the mass of solvent. And mass of solvent we have been given as 90 gram over here as the mass of water. So if you add both of these, you will get 100 gram. This is the mass of solution we have. Clear? So let's find out the concentration of solution. So concentration of solution using the mass percent will be mass of solute, that is 10 gram, by mass of solution, that is 100 gram, into 100. If you can see, the answer is 10%. That is, the concentration of solution is 10% mass by mass, and this suggests कि we have 10 gram of NaCl dissolved in 100 gram of solution. Clear all of you? Any doubt in this particular case? किसी को कोई doubt है? This first method under percentage method to find the concentration of the solution is clear to all of you in the class? Yes or no? Tell me fast. ठीक है? Okay. So let's proceed on to our next method of finding the concentration of solution under percentage method. This is your mass by volume percentage. ठीक है? Mass by volume percentage, how is it defined? So it is defined as the mass of solute dissolved in the volume of, or you can say dissolved in the 100 ml of the solution. Okay, so dissolved in 100 ml of solution. Clear? So mass by volume percent is what? This is defined as how much mass of solute is dissolved in your 100 ml of solution. Okay. So if I say you कि I have, let's say I have 0.8% mass by volume of NaCl solution. So what do I mean by this particular statement? So 0.8% है, that means I have 0.8 gram of NaCl dissolved in 100 ml of solution. Clear? So this, from this statement I mean to say कि I have 0.8 gram of NaCl dissolved in your 100 ml of solution. This is your mass by volume percentage. So what will be the formula for this particular thing? So mass by volume percentage is written as mass of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. So it always measures the solute mass or weight in grams versus solution volume in milliliter. Clear? So we always take the mass of solute in gram and solution's volume in milliliter. Clear all of you? So I hope कि mass by volume percent is clear to all of you in the class and no doubt is there. Yes or no? So how do we find out the volume of solution? कैसे find out करते हैं? Volume of solution. Volume of the solution can be find out by volume of solute plus volume of solution. Sorry, volume of solvent. Clear? This way you can find out the volume of solution, that is by adding volume of solute to the volume of solvent. Clear everyone? Any doubt in this particular case? किसी को कोई doubt है? Yes or no? So it always measures the solute mass or weight in grams versus solution's volume in ml. So I told you कि if I say कि I have 0.8% mass by volume of NaCl solution, that means I mean to say कि I have 0.8 gram of NaCl dissolved in 100 ml of solution. So as I given you the example also, if I say कि 0.9% weight by volume of NaCl solution will contain 0.9 gram of NaCl per 100 ml of solution. Clear? Okay, very good, Manas. So let's solve a question on this. So I've given the same thing over here also. So mass by volume percentage formula, please remember, mass of solute in grams by volume of solution in ml into 100. I have already told you this thing. So mass by volume percentage is used to express a solution's concentration when the solute mass and solution volume are given. And mass percentage that we have studied just now before this, mass percentage or mass by mass percentage is always used when you have a mass of solute and mass of the solution, which is used to express the concentration of solution. Clear? So mass by mass percentage is given as mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. So right now we have studied two different methods of expressing the concentration of solution. First one is mass by mass percent. Second one is mass by volume percent. Clear all of you? So right now we are going to study the third method of finding out the concentration of solution under percentage method. That is your volume by volume percent. Clear? How do we do this volume by volume percent? So first volume is representing the volume of solute and second volume is representing the volume of solution. Clear? So what is this volume by volume percent? How can we define it? So let me define it for you. So basically your volume by volume percent is defined as, the volume of solute in ml. Okay, it is defined as the volume of solute in ml present in 100 ml of solution. ठीक है? So it is basically defined as what volume of solute measured in ml is present in your 100 ml of solution. Clear? So for example, so this particular method of expressing the concentration of solution is generally used where your solute and solvents both are in liquid forms. ठीक है? So it is mostly used So it's basically mostly used, let me write down it for you. Mostly used when solute and solvent are liquids. Clear? Am I clear all of you? Difference between chemical change and chemical reaction, both are same thing. ठीक है? Chemical change and chemical reactions both are same thing. Clear all of you? So for example, if I say so the formula to find out the volume percentage is written as volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. How can we find out this volume of solution? Volume of solution is equals to volume of solute plus volume of solvent. Clear? This is the volume of solution. Am I clear? So if I say कि I have, let's say 30% volume by volume percentage, or you can say volume percent, 30% volume by volume of NaCl, oh sorry, not NaCl, let's say I am taking your ethanol solution, ठीक है? Of ethanol solution. So what do I mean? What do I mean to say by this statement? कि I have 30% volume by volume of ethanol solution. That means your 30 ml of ethanol is present in 100 ml of solution. क्लियर? कि 30 ml of ethanol जो है वो किस में प्रेजेंट है? आपका 100 ml of solution में प्रेजेंट है. क्लियर? So for example, if I give you a question, let's try to understand this by a question. कि I have 30 ml of alcohol. If 30 ml of alcohol is mixed with 70 ml of water, 70 ml of water, find out the concentration of the solution. Find out the concentration of solution. Clear? So you can see here the volume of solute is given, volume of solvent is given, and we have been asked to find out the concentration of solution. In such case, we will use which method under percentage method to find out the concentration of solution? That is your volume percent method. Okay? So let's solve it. So volume of solute is given as 30 ml. Volume of solvent is given as 70 ml. So what will be the volume of solution? Because while finding out the concentration of the solution using volume percent method, you need to write the volume of solution in the denominator part. Okay? So volume of solution is equals to 30 plus 70, that is your 100 ml. Now finding out the concentration of solution using volume percent method. So that will be volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. ठीक है, volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So volume of solute is how much? 30 ml. Volume of solution is how much? 100 ml into 100. So concentration of solution is 30%. Clear? So this way you can find out the concentration of solutions using three different methods of finding the concentration under percentage method. First one is mass percent, second one is your mass by volume percent, and third is your volume percent. Clear everyone? Any doubt in this particular case? So let's try to solve some questions. Okay? So the first question is telling us, determine the volume by volume percent solution made by combining 25 ml of ethanol with enough water to produce 200 ml of the solution. So you have to calculate the volume by volume percent of the solution, or you can say we have to calculate the concentration of solution using the volume by volume percentage method. ठीक है, concentration of solution using the volume by volume percentage method. Clear? So let's try to understand this thing. Let's try to solve this question. 25. No, Manas, it's not 25. No, 25 is not the answer. I have already discussed with you the formula, how to solve it. I hope everybody can do it, because you just have to put the values given in the question in the formula, and you can definitely find out the concentration of solution using the volume percentage method. Okay, so let's find out that. So volume percentage method mein we have to have the volume of solute. So volume of solute we have been given as 25 ml. And what is the volume of solution? So volume of solution we have been given as 200 ml. So let's find out the concentration of solution. So concentration of solution will be volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So volume of solute is 25, volume of solution is 200 into 100. Let's find out. 25 5 25 8 ja, and this will be like how much? 8 5 is 40, 8 to the 16 4, yes, 4 to the 8, 4 25 ja, so it will be like 12.5%. This is the concentration of the solution, 12.5% and not 25%. Am I clear to all of you? Yes? Okay, Manas, so it's clear. So 12.5% will be the answer of this particular question. I hope it's clear to all of you in the class. Yes or no? Tell me fast. Okay, so let's have our next question. Next question is telling us that a solution is prepared by dissolving 90 ml of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, Sayan, very good. Hydrogen peroxide in enough water to make 3000 ml of solution. Identify the concentration of hydrogen peroxide solution. All of you please start solving this. Sayan, Manas, everyone, Rahul and all. So everyone who are present in the class, please try and solve this question and tell me the answer in the comment section. What is the answer of this particular question? Tell me fast. Yes, anyone? Sayan, Manas, anyone? Okay, so let's try to find out the concentration. Before finding out the concentration, you need to identify which method you have to use here to find out the concentration based upon the quantity of solute and solvent or solution given in the question. In this case, the quantity of solute is given in ml. That means we have been given the volume of solute. Yes. we have been given the volume of solute. So volume of solute is given as 90 ml. Yes or no? Volume of solute we have been given as 90 ml. And volume of solution we have been given. Very good, Manas. Very good. Well done. So we have been given as 3000 ml. That means we have been given the volume of solute and volume of solution. So when we are given your volume, both in both case, if we are given volume, then you have to use the volume percentage method to find out the concentration of the solution. So what will be the concentration of solution? So concentration of solution will be volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So volume of solute is 90. Volume of solution is 3000 into 100. So let's find out this. Cancel. Cancel. 3 ja. So yes, Manas, very good. 3% is the correct answer. This is the concentration of your hydrogen peroxide solution. Clear everyone? Any doubt in this case? किसी को कोई doubt अभी तक? Tell me fast. No, Manas, I am not from Daltonganj. Okay. Clear everyone? Understood? Chalo. Let's solve your next question. Okay. So we have already solved this question. Let's solve your next question. 2.5 liters of alcohol is present in 10 liters of aqueous solution of alcohol. Calculate concentration of solution okay. So we have to calculate the concentration of the solution. So please try to do it as I am solving it on the board. So all of you please try to solve it on your own and let me know the answer in case you get the answer. Okay. So let's solve it fastly. In this case, we have been given your volume of solute, which is 22.5 liters, and the volume of solution, which is your 10 liters. Very good, Sayan. Very good. Well done. 25% is the correct answer. Now we have to find out. Very good, Manas. Very good. So concentration of solution we have to find out. So that will be your volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So volume of solute is 2.5. Volume of solution is 10 into 100. So 100 cancel. It will be 25%. So both of you well done, Sayan and Manas. Very good. Let's solve the another question on this particular topic. So 50 gram of sugar is dissolved in 2.45 kg of water. Calculate the concentration of solution. You have to calculate the concentration of solution. Everyone please do it. 50 gram of sugar is dissolved in 2.45 kg of water. You have to calculate the concentration of solution. So please start doing it. And I am also solving it and please check your answer if you are getting correct answer or not. Calculate the concentration of solution. Okay, so let's solve it. So right now we are having, so before you find out the concentration of solution, it's very important you identify the method which method has to be used for finding out the concentration. Based upon what is given for solute and solvent. The amount of solute is given in volume or in mass. Okay? So let's see that. So we have been given the amount of sugar in 50 gram. That means we have been given the mass of sugar, which is your solute. Mass of sugar, that is your solute, and that we have been given as 50 grams. Okay. Then we have been given the mass of water, that is 2.45 kg, which is solvent over here. So we have been given your mass of solvent, that is your water, in 2.45 kg. So we need to have similar units for mass of solute and mass of solvent. So let's convert it to gram only. So 2.45 kg, we will convert it to gram. Okay. So yes, so how much gram it will be? 2450 gram. This much gram we will have. Clear? So now, right now we have mass of solute, mass of solvent. So to find out the concentration of solution, we have to use the mass percentage method, where we divide the mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Yes? So that in that way, so we need to have here mass of solution. So how do we find out the mass of solution? By adding mass of solute to mass of solvent. Yes or no? Mass of solvent. So mass of solute is mass of solute is 50 grams and mass of solvent is 2450 gram. So if you add both of these, you will get it as 2500 gram as the mass of solution. So let's find out the concentration of solution using the mass percentage method. So concentration of solution will be mass of solute. Very good, Sayan. Mass of solution into 100. Mass of solute is 50. Mass of solution is 2500 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. 25 2 ja. So it will be like 2%. So 2% is the concentration of the solution. Clear all of you? It's not 2.04, Manas. 2% is the concentration of your solution. Am I clear in this particular case? Any doubt anybody is having? Yes, 2% would be the answer. Very good, Sayan. Clear? Any doubt in this case? Okay, very good. So, before I proceed further, so let me tell you about the Emerge test series that is starting from your 9th of April till 12th of April. This is for class 10 learners. You can inform your seniors if there are any that we are having Emerge test series on Unacademy app, which they can attempt before their term 2 examination. Now on plus batches, we have champions batch starting for class 10. Revision purpose 6th April se it has already started. In this batch, India's top educators will be taking the classes. Then we have your gladiators batch for class 10 again starting from 6th of April 2022. Already started, I mean to say that. In this batch also your India's top educators will be taking the classes. So this is, and again for class 9, those who are starting their new academic sessions for class 9, for them we have your guardians batch. In this batch also your India's top educators will be taking the classes. So these are the upcoming batches of plus on the plus platform for class 9 and 10. If you want to have like serious preparations for your academic session or for your term 2 examination, you can enroll yourself in any of the batches by taking the subscription. And while you take the subscription, do not forget to use my code Manisha Live, which will give you 10% discount. And if you are not sure about taking the subscription, you can simply download the app and watch the free special classes. And to unlock free special class, you need to use my code Manisha Live. You can follow me over there also. So every educator has a community where he or she can upload the notes and practice materials. So if you are following any educator, you can follow their communities as well. And in that way, you will never miss any update from your favorite educator. You will get the sessions, notes and practice material. You can share your feedback directly with educators via polls. So all these are the features of community, and the community link of my profile has been given in the description box, which you can join by clicking on the link. Also, we have Bucks Bounty feature on Unacademy. So if you watch any inappropriate content in any videos of Unacademy, you can report it by filling up a form that is given in the description box. and if you are the first one to report a particular issue, you can claim your prizes as well. ठीक है? So this bugs bounty feature is for every student to report any inappropriate content. So this was all for today's session, and I hope ki the session was amazing and informative to all of you. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and classmates, and as well as your juniors, so that they can join this channel also. Do not forget to hit the bell icon after you subscribe to the channel, so that you never miss any notification from this channel. Okay. So thank you everyone for watching the session live, and we will meet again tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow you won't have any class for class 9. Tomorrow is the session for class 10. So class 9 session will be now on 9th of April. ठीक है, 9th April को you will have your class 9 session again at 4 PM only. ठीक है, 4 PM को ही होगा आपका class 9 का session at on 9th of April. ठीक है, so thank you everyone. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care and all the best for your upcoming academic session. So thanks a lot once again, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so thank you.